Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We are back at it again, baby. The market looking strong. We know BTC actually had a little pullback, Ethereum, but hey, man, these are dip buys, guys. These are dip buys. When we already know what's going to happen, we already know we're still in the bullish market. So these are dip buys. Hope you guys are taking advantage of these. Some people are going in and out. So you take advantage of those as well. Get those 1-2% gains. Jump in and out, however you want. Or some people are long-term hodlers. So get in where you fit in, baby. So, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Go over to our website, cryptoblack.net. We have some merchandise over there you guys go pick up over there. Also, we have the courses over there. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrency and you're a beginner, you just want to know about it, this course is going to put you 1 or 2 years ahead of the game. So from everyone else that's starting out. So make sure you guys go over there and check out the website, www.cryptoblack.net. All right, but let's jump right into it, guys. It says Grayscale's Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin Trust begin trading publicly. So if you guys look and see, Litecoin actually been doing pretty good. And I actually had this resistance line up here, man, for months at 6404. And look, we broke through that resistance line. And over the last few days, you see that little breakout here. This little breakout to where we're at now. It went up to 68.71. Like 70, probably, 70 gonna be the next milestone. But as you can see here, we at 17%, a little over 17% right now. So I mean, it's really good. I remember it's a time for months, but Litecoin just sitting at like 40 bucks. So I mean, it's definitely something here that's great. Bitcoin Cash is doing the same exact thing. So had that little breakout. So as you guys can see here, it says Grayscale Investments, Bitcoin Cash Trust, and Litecoin Trust. Crypto products are set to begin trading publicly on over the counter markets after receiving DTC eligibility Monday. Now, the twin funds provide institutional and now retail investors exposure to their namesake cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash, which is 5.8 billion market cap, and Litecoin, which is $4.3 billion market cap. Grayscale has fashioned its growing family of crypto trusts as a gateway for investors who lack the technical know-how or risk tolerance to hold coins themselves. Now, Grayscale is a subsidiary of digital currency group Coinbase parent firm. Now, prior to the announcement, Grayscale reported accredited investors already held over 6 million Bitcoin Cash shares and 2.5 million LTC shares through private placement deals. Now, these shares can now trade publicly as long as their institutional buyers' 1-year hold period has been met. Now, shares in our 10 private placements are only available to institutional and accredited investors, so it's great to continue to work with regulators so more investors can access the asset class. Grayscale Managing Director Michael Sonnenschein told CoinDesk. And as you guys can see, it's all about mass adoption, right? So your average Joe is not going to be able to pretty much, or let's just say the Generation Xers and the baby boomers, they're not really into the wallets and buying the wallets on a mass scale. I'm not saying none of them are, but on a mass scale, or say collectively, they're not out there downloading wallets, buying cryptocurrency, staking cryptocurrency, and then moving it around, using exchanges, trading it, and everything like that, right? They still don't really know what it is, or they're like, hey, you know what? What is that? I'm good. I think it's a scam. I'm fine, right? But now when they see the institution like a Grayscale come along and say, hey, listen, this thing here, it's moving. You can make a lot of money from it. It's a good investment. It's a good long-term investment. As you guys can see, the dollar, what's going on with the dollar. You want to just hold your money into account. Let's put it over here and let's make some money for you, right? We'll take care of it for you. So these more trustworthy type of institutions that the Generation Xers and the baby boomers will turn around and say, okay, you know what? I trust them versus, hey, some kid told me to download this thing called a wallet and I don't know what they're talking about, right? They can talk to their brokers and everything, and then they can go from there. With Grayscale, they can use Grayscale versus, trying to use a wallet and all other stuff, right? and they trust these large institutions. It's more mass adoption for us because if more people are gonna come along and say, hey, listen, I'm making money from this here using Grayscale. Grayscale is gonna buy more cryptocurrencies, and in turn, what's gonna happen? The price of cryptocurrency is gonna go up, right? It's just simple supply and demand. So this is something I think is great for mass adoption. Grayscale also said they're gonna be pretty much having commercials and putting ads all over CNBC and MSNBC and CNN and Fox and all the other stuff. So that's where the Generation Xers and the baby boomers are watching. They watch a lot of their news. And so they're going to watch those ads and say, okay, you know, I'm hearing about this. I'm hearing about that. Let me call my broker. Let me see what's going on. Let's see what I can do, right? My dollar is going down. The value is going down. So let me see what I can do. And that curiosity, you know, that's how it goes. So, and that's how you get the mass adoption. And we all win. We all win. So, guys, let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you agree with what I said, you know, about the mass adoption. You think this works and you think it'll be fine. But as the proof is in the pudding, guys, you see Litecoin went up over 17% in the last few days. And Bitcoin Cash is up as well. So, proof is in the pudding. Drop your comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Go over to our podcast too, guys. We're on everywhere on our podcast. We're on Apple. It's the Crypto Black podcast. Everything is Crypto Black across the board. Go to our podcast too. We're on Anchor. We're on Apple Podcasts. We're on Google Podcasts. We're on Spotify. We're pretty much everywhere. We're pretty much everywhere you need to be. We're there. So go over there too. It's a lot of jewels we're dropping on that podcast, and we're bringing some good guests. So go over there and listen to that as well. Remember, check out our website, www.cryptoblack.net as well. We'll see you guys in the next video. Stack, Sats, and Chill. We out of here, baby.